Okay, here's another Tim's tip. Jack asked me about salt cell cleaner. So why would you buy salt cell cleaner when you can do a dilution on normal acid? Basically, the type of acid is a little bit less harsh on the electrode. It's also a controlled strength, so you're not having to measure out things, and if you get it wrong, then you're going to do damage to your electrode with your pool acid solution. The one tip that I will make with using this, you'll normally get 2 or 3 fizzes out of the same volume of the solution. So have some sort of a container where you can store the salt cell cleaner until it loses its fizziness. So some sort of container you can pour it into, seal it up so you can keep using it until it stops working, and then take that and pour it in the pool. Refresh after that. Definitely don't put the used stuff back in here because you'll be diluting the overall strength of what's in here. So this one's the best thing to use with your electrodes to protect them.
Nice.